to Fancy Nancy, and today you guys I'm taking you to the very fun place. Even though my little guest of honor is Poots back there, we're actually taking her to a place in Las Vegas called the Rainforest Cafe where you can actually take kids and have a great time and eat with them. I believe you can have birthday parties there, but it's a fun place. And remember, I'm going to be showing you places in Vegas that you can also bring kids. Hey, Mr. Driver. So if you're new here, welcome, and I'm glad you're here. I'm from Las Vegas. My name is Nancy, and I like to bring you places to eat and food reviews in Vegas. But if you're already subscribed, welcome back. So let's go, guys, to the Rainforest Cafe. Okay guys, so where we parked was the Miracle Mile shop. With the good thing about parking here, you guys, is that parking is still free on this property. So that's awesome. I know other places are charging for parking, so it's always a blessing to find the place where you could park for free. It's going to be a little bit of a walk, but not a bad scenery at all, because you're going to be walking through shops, the casino, in a controlled climate environment, and you're going to get out to see all the fabulous tourists in Las Vegas. So once I checked and asked you guys, you could either park across the way at the Aria over there and walk across, straight across the bridge, or you're going to have to park in the Miracle Mile shops, in the Planet Hollywood parking lot, and go through the Miracle Mile shops, because that's actually how you can get to it unless you're walking on the street. Then you just come up the escalators, and you'll see here as we're going in, because we're going up there, there's the Bubblegum Shrimp Factory that you can go in through there. And so you're going to enter these other little shops here, as you will see, and you can actually, that's where the Rainforest Cafe will be, right inside of there. Hi, we're here, look! Oh, hell yeah. That's right across the way. And here we are at the Rainforest Cafe. A wild place to shop and eat. Yay! Yeah! And since we're coming in on the first floor, guys, we're definitely going to the souvenir shop. But don't panic, because you know the kids are going to want all kinds of things. But they were actually really reasonably priced. They had things, see, that were maybe under $10 for the kids. Buy one, get one 50% off for the cups. We actually bought Aaliyah some plates, souvenir plates for her and my grandson, and they were only $6. So it was very reasonable. The shirts were 2 for $20. So I didn't feel bad about her wanting things here, because they weren't expensive at all. And then they can have something to always remember their time and adventure at the Rainforest Cafe. I said your adventure starts here. Yes, I'll come back to you. No, I won't. Hi. Say hi. Here. Yeah, she's just so amazed by everything. Okay, grab her, baby. Isn't that cool, Lily? We can take a picture there afterwards. Come on. Yeah. We have to have a booth. Wow. Do we have a booth? Do you have a booth by any chance?
At the moment, I don't think I do.
Okay, it's fine. Will she be able to see the show in here or outside, or?
Yeah, no, the show happens
inside. So we have to sit inside. Okay. All right, thank you.
Let me
So right off the bat, she's like super excited. So this is a great place for kids, you guys, which is awesome, because when my kids were little here in Las Vegas, they didn't have these things, so we've came a long way. So I can't wait for this. I think she's really gonna enjoy it. And they have Santa's light by the elephant.
Wow!
You like that?
I just made monkeys.
Yeah.
I want
want, Mama? What do you want? Which one you want? Which one you want?
Welcome, how are we doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm good. My name is Bree. I'll be helping out. Can I get you started with drinks today?
Yes, can I get a Coke?
Sure.
Actually, a Sprite. A Sprite would be
Sprite,
better.
sure.
And let me see. She gets one of these little drinks.
Yeah, if you'd like to have one of those on, I've got the frog, but I've got a cuter monkey.
Which one you want?
Elephant.
You want an elephant?
Don't have the elephant.
Yeah,
I'll
that
get the
one.
monkey.
Yeah, she wants the elephant. Okay. So elephant and then
Okay,
what?
they got frog
We
and
don't
the
have
monkey.
the
They don't
elephant.
have that.
Oh, you don't. They don't
The
have
frog and the monkey.
only the frog and the monkey. Which one you want? The frog and the monkey. You want the frog or the monkey?
Frog.
Frog. Okay.
Frog, what am I putting in the frog?
What are we putting in the frog, Lily? We're putting cha-cha cherry, Bomba blue raspberry.
Or I can mix the two.
Mix it too.
Mix it
That
up.
would be great.
All right.
Mix it too. Give her a
Right,
mixer.
I've got the mix up in the
Yeah,
frog
she's
there. And then
bringing. She's bringing it to
Give me
you.
Dr. Pepper.
Dr. Pepper it is. I'll be right back with those drinks for you.
Guys, ooh, I think we're gonna try that platter. I think we should try that sample platter. So excited. Oh, Kevin, the food looks amazing.
I'm going with the taste of the island.
Me too. I think I want this Caribbean coconut dynamite scallop, shrimp, blackened tilapia. I don't know. Look, did you see the monkey hanging right there? Look, Lily is hanging right there. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yeah, isn't it cool? Say hi to them. Okay, so let's look at the menu.
I want to say hi.
Yeah, oh my God, they have African seafood stew. What? Yes. Jumbo trio. Oh my gosh. Everything looks so good.
Hey, baby.
And of course. They're gonna talk to you. Don't worry. They're gonna come out and talk to you. Hi. And here I'm just showing you kind of the stuff that they have on the menu. They were featuring the islands from Africa, so that's what we were ordering from. But this is some of the stuff that they have on a regular basis. So they have the smoothies, the drinks, and they also, you will see next up, just the regular menu that they have all the time. Oh my God, that's so cool. Oh, look at that. They're moving. Thank you. That is so cute, Aaliyah. You like it?
Do we have questions on the menu so far?
No, just give us a minute and we'll be
No
over.
problem.
Oh, you like it. I told you it'd be perfect for her.
You like that, baby? Here, you want a color, baby? Look, give me this. And you can color.
The kids menu, you guys. Look at that kid choosing to choose an entree, choose a side, choose your drink, dessert. Oh gosh, how cute is that? So look, you guys, you can do a scavenger hunt with your kids to look for all the animals in here throughout the thing on the first scavenger hunt, all the animals, while you wait for your food. Isn't that awesome? Oh my gosh, it's a total adventure.
That's Biggie. That's Biggie the dinosaur.
I'm not biting.
No, it's not
No,
gonna bite you.
Papa not let it bite you.
No, say hi.
Hey.
Are you having fun? Do you like it here? Yeah.
Hi, Maxie.
That's Papa baby.
Yeah. And it's a cooler. So we did need the platter.
Throw it,
I'll tell you about the Landry's Club, you guys. The Landry's Club Select, which I will have linked down below along with all the information where you can find the Rainforest Cafe. It's a dining club that you can join for free. You get $1 per point every time you eat at their location. It's not a sponsored video. I've just been part of it for so long that since it's my birthday, October is my birthday month, I actually have $25 off. So I said, why not come use it and take my granddaughter to an awesome place. So anyways, I'll have the website down below for all the locations. It's over 600. So if you have some of the locations in your city, you should consider joining the Landry Select Club for dining because it gets you rewards back. $1 a point with 300 points being the max. But I'm telling you, I always get like $20 rewards to go and eat, and it includes the Bubba Gum, Morton Steakhouse, McCormick and Schmick, Claim Jumpers, Bubba Gum Shrimp Factory, which I know it's in a lot of the cities. So if this is something that you do all the time, which I eat out all the time, you should definitely join. So I'll leave it down below for those of you who are interested. Yeah, they're talking. Look at him.
So fun.
So fun. You think Bembe would like it? Yeah?
Wake up.
Yeah.
Daddy, everybody go.
Yeah.
Everybody got it. I swear, bye.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And who's gonna come?
We got started. We had to been to this place before we started vlogging.
Yeah, we
Been
have.
so many
We
places.
have.
You like your frog? Really cool frog.
That's so cool. Say hi.
You gotta drink something, Lily.
You can drink it. Be careful, don't drop it. Excited. Where's her crayon? Where's her crayon?
I couldn't tell you.
See if it's on the floor.
No.
So fun.
This is the cutest cup. Look at this cute little cup, and at the bottom it has a toy and it's being has a little handle. It's just so super cute. I love it. Yay! And here's the food. Look at it. Oh my gosh, I had ribs, steak, shrimp, fries. She had a pizza with grapes and oranges, which she really liked the cheese pizza. I actually had a bite of it too. It was yummy. And look at those are scallops and a cheesy sauce, tilapia, Cajun rice, and some shrimp for him as well. The food was so good, and you can see the portions are pretty nice and decent. Shrimp. Wow, it's shaped like a heart. Delicious. Let's get the straw out of my way here. And we have ribs. And everything just looks amazing. So I'm going to dig in. So remember, Rainforest Cafe, if you want to come here. I believe they have 2 locations, but I will link all the locations down below. And it's an awesome place, not just for the kids, but for you too. It's a fun place to come. You can sit outside and have a great view of the strip. Okay, so if you haven't already, make sure that you subscribe. Comment down below if there's one of these in your city, and make sure that you put that little notification bell on so that next time you know when I'm uploading videos, and you always have something awesome to watch on YouTube from Fabulous Las Vegas. Okay guys, so until the next one, bye!